How to use Grab for airport pickup and drop-off. Need a stress-free airport ride? Grab has got your back with smooth airport pickup and drop-off option. Open the Grab app and tap Transport. Enter your terminal or airport name in the pickup and drop-off field. Grab will support special airport-related rides like Grab Car Airport or Just Grab Airport if available in your region. Select your service type, confirm your location and flight details if asked, then book the ride. For pickup, some airports have designated Grab zones. Check the in-app instructions for the pickup point. Schedule your airport ride in advance to avoid peak hour delays. Which airport do you use Grab from the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.